What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the RYOBI 40 volt HP. The RYOBI 40 volt HP, the strongest battery powered blower, leaf blower that is in Home Depot. I know it's the strongest because I actually went in every aisle and checked and see who had the strongest power to blow. This thing says it blows 190 miles per hour. So I am impressed. This is a little pricey, y'all. I'm letting y'all know right now. This is a little pricey. Okay, but with that price, you get two 40 volt batteries and you get a 40 volt charge. This stuff is like no-brainer, kinda, right? Put that in like that, snaps in right there on the bottom. This part clips in right there, and that's it. Only three things to do. Slide it in like that, press the trigger. Wow, it actually blew me. You can set up the speed of the blow. So if you look right here, if you pull back just a little bit, and then you could actually have it on basically a cruise control. Go back some more. I got it out the box. It's supposed to be brand new, but it looked like it already have some beauty marks on it. So really not too much for me to actually return it. Some people with, $300 price tag might say, forget that. I want a new, I want to get a different one. So let's put this thing up to the test. Okay, you guys, this is my final thoughts on the RYOBI blower HP. This is a beast and it stays here. This will not get resold. This is not going nowhere. This blower is 190 miles per hour blower. If you have a lot of trees in your yard, get this blower. Get it, period. On this side, it has a warning sign because behind here is basically exposed back here, and the blade to blow is back here. So do not put your hands back here. All right, and that's about it, you guys. It has a turbo button up here, so I'm assuming when you hit this turbo button, even more air come out. But the air that I had, the air that came out naturally, is enough air to get all these leaves out of here. And that's about it. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified when I have a new product. See y'all in the next one.